At the heart of every generator is an engine. But not all engines are created equal. A car engine is built to meet the demands of driving. A generator engine has a completely different job to do.
That's why Generac engineers and builds its own engines right here in the United States. Generac's overhead valve V-twin is designed specifically for generator use.
It's called purpose-built, and it makes all the difference in the world when it comes to performance, reliability, and longevity. Generac also purpose-builds its own alternators, which are designed for maximum power output and quiet performance. In fact, all of the generator subsystems, from fuel delivery, switches, and electronics, are designed and built in-house. Now, other manufacturers use off-the-shelf components and package them together. Generac, on the other hand, purpose-builds generators to meet the specific demands of backup power generation. All of this knowledge goes into making your residential generator a state-of-the-art backup system designed to perform under the harshest, most demanding conditions. After all, isn't that when you really need backup power?